Understanding Lord have mercy in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and expressive phrase in the English language, Lord have mercy. This phrase is not only rich in cultural and historical context but also quite prevalent in everyday English conversations. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and the nuances that come with it. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about idiomatic expressions, this video will shed light on this intriguing phrase. Lord have mercy originates from religious contexts, particularly in Christianity. It is a plea or prayer to God, asking for compassion and forgiveness. The phrase appears in many religious texts and liturgies, and it's used to express a request for divine mercy and help. In its literal sense, the speaker is calling upon a higher power, traditionally the Christian Lord, to show mercy in a situation that seems overwhelming or beyond human control. In modern English, Lord have mercy is often used figuratively. It has become an idiomatic expression that people use to express a wide range of emotions like surprise, disbelief, exasperation, or even admiration. The phrase is no longer strictly religious and is used by people of various backgrounds. For example, someone might say, Lord have mercy, when they hear shocking news, see something extraordinary, or encounter a frustrating situation. The phrase, Lord have mercy, holds significant cultural value, especially in regions where English is spoken. It's commonly heard in American and British cultures, often in movies, music, and literature. The phrase is a part of the cultural fabric and is recognized and understood even by those who might not use it regularly. Its use in media and arts has helped in popularizing the phrase beyond its religious origins. The tone when using Lord have mercy can vary greatly depending on the context. It's important for English learners to understand that the phrase can be used seriously or humorously. In a serious context, it might convey genuine concern or empathy. In a more casual or humorous setting, it can be used in a light-hearted, joking manner. Understanding the tone and context is key to using this phrase appropriately. There are several variations of Lord have mercy that you might encounter. Phrases like mercy me, goodness gracious, or simply mercy convey similar sentiments. These variations can be used interchangeably in many contexts, and understanding them can enrich your understanding of English idioms and expressions. We hope this video has been insightful in understanding the phrase, Lord have mercy. It's a great example of how language evolves and adapts, carrying both its literal and figurative meanings across contexts. Whether you use it in your daily conversations or come across it in your language journey, you're now equipped to understand and appreciate its nuances. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the wonderful world of English expressions.